Welcome back to Grow My Savings. When it comes to building wealth, most people dream of big leaps, a big paycheck, a big win, or a lucky investment. But the truth? Wealth grows like a snowball, slowly at first, then faster as it rolls. Today, we'll talk about the snowball strategy, how to use small, consistent steps to build unstoppable financial momentum. The snowball strategy is simple. It's all about progress that compounds. Think of rolling a tiny snowball down a hill. At first, it's small and slow, but as it rolls, it gathers more snow and gets bigger, faster, and harder to stop. That's exactly how money works. The first few dollars you save or invest might not seem like much, but over time, those small wins build momentum. And eventually your money starts working for you. Let's make this real with two ways to use the snowball effect. 1. The debt snowball. If you have debts, start by paying off the smallest one first. When it's gone, you free up that payment to tackle the next one, and each success gives you motivation and momentum. Soon, what once felt impossible starts to roll on its own. 2. The investment snowball. Once you're debt-free or saving regularly, that same idea applies to investing. You start small, maybe $50 a week. Then you reinvest your profits. Those earnings grow, earn more returns, and your wealth compounds faster and faster. That's the power of consistent effort, like not one big step, but 1,000 small ones. The snowball strategy works because it combines psychology and math. Each small win gives you confidence to keep going, and the numbers naturally compound over time. You don't need to be rich to start. You just need to start small, stay consistent, and let time do the heavy lifting. Albert Einstein called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world, and the snowball strategy is how you make that wonder work for you. So remember, wealth isn't built in giant leaps, it's built one roll at a time. Keep pushing that snowball, even when it feels small, because one day it'll be so big it rolls on its own. Thanks for watching Grow My Savings. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone just starting their journey. And in our next video, we'll talk about how to reinvest your profits to grow even faster.